Sleep till. Oh shit.
Okay, so if you have trouble loosening this adjuster,
Which you will.
you're gonna have to rig up some serious like engineer type stuff. Look at this. Oh, you got it.
That'll do her.
That'll do her. Oil.
Alright, I'm Jacob Stewart, and this is how to change your fork seals on a 21 KX250.
We're not a how-to channel.
We're not a how-to channel, but we're making an exception.
We're making an exception, but we're not gonna videotape all of it. So don't take notes. It's just a process. Look at this. We got Dalton here. Chicago Bears.
Yeah. Not our year.
Not your ear.
Don't you only grab a block of wood?
We'll get a block of wood.
Back there.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get that one right up there.
The tiny one? Huh? This thing?
Sure.
For what?
Lay it on the ground.
KYB.
Okay, well, they want you to buy a fancy tool to compress this thing, to hold it down, take it apart and all that. I ain't buying that. It's like 60 bucks. This thing was like $4. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, cut. I used to have it made up, but this thing broke, probably because it's plastic. But I'm gonna make another one real quick, so. Glasses, because I couldn't really see anything.
Those magnifying glasses didn't work.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut here. Here, oh yeah, that'll be good. That's money.
Good boy.
Alright, so we just pulled this apart, you know. You gotta slide this down, pop this clip out of there, seal pick's not too hard. And then these are just here like this. But when you put this back together, the little guide, put this on first, and then put the clip, and then this seal oriented that way. And the white thing, this here, and then this last.
That's the clip.
Yeah, that's the clip.
What'd you get up there?
How do I get off, guys?
He thought he was a funny guy getting up there, now he can't get down.
Help.
Just jump, dude.
Pro tip, when you're putting these things back together, tape around these sharp edges right here so the seals slide on there and they don't get cut and messed up from the edges. So yeah, I'll cut to that in a second when I'm done. Today on Throttle Junkie Media, I'm making an FMX ramp to do backflips off of. Alright, so yeah, I kind of already started, but I'm building a little ramp. It should be pretty fun. I'm going down the hill, get some good air, maybe learn some tricks, maybe knack-knacks, who knows. But I'll give you a little run through on what I'm doing here. I'm making a 4-foot wide, which now that I've actually like started to build it, probably a lot too wide. Everybody said 3 foot online. I was like, oh, it seems kind of narrow. I want to try to whip. But then looking at it now, 4 foot, probably a little wide. But hey, on the plus side, I don't have to cut my plywood down. So basically to build this, to start, what you're gonna do is get one 4x8 sheet of plywood. This is 1/2 inch OSB because I'm poor, but cut that shape, cut it diagonally. We'll go in a couple inches on each side, mark it, and then go diagonally across those 2 marks. And then cut them in half, and then cut the shape out of one of them, and then lay it on top of the other one, and then cut the shape, if that makes sense. So then you have 2 of the same shapes. And then take a bunch of 2x4s, cut some 4-foot sections, go along the bottom. I'm just doing 4, that should be good. All right, and then one right here because I told you, you know, go in about 4 inches for the 2x4, so you have this right here. And then just follow your curve down. I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the curve. And then I'm gonna lay a sheet. It's gonna take about 1.5 sheets because it's angled, you know, of plywood on top. And then I have grip tape over there. And then over here, I'm just gonna do some cross bracing because right now, a little wiggly side to side. It's not the end of the world, but better safe than sorry, so I'll put some X's right here to be safe. So next cut, we should have the plywood on top. So in 3, 2, 1. here's a little update on the ramp. It worked good. Well, obviously it didn't work good. It worked for 2 times. I'll pop up those 2 little clips of me hitting it now. But yeah, the one 2x4 I had right here, I guess I probably should have put it. Ooh, I got a real big splinter. I probably should have put it vertically instead of horizontally. I'm stupid. But yeah, it broke through. So I'm gonna put it vertically and also cut up a couple more 2x4s to put vertically right there, and then probably just like replace half this piece of plywood. So I'll do that one day, probably not in this video.
Okay, so we're here. It's Sunday, and we are gonna. It rained all weekend. On Friday there was some icy rain, and then today it's very foggy. So we're gonna take the pickups and the Jeep out, and we're gonna try to not get stuck, but maybe get stuck. Never know. And if we do get stuck, we do have. How do I flip this around? We got that thing over there. I brought the Jeep today, so maybe we can pull some stuff out, maybe. So we're heading out, going to the road. Also driving here.
I really hope you get stuck.
I don't know, I don't feel like walking back. Kind of looks dry, not even gonna lie.
Look at him.
What's this guy doing?
He said he was trying to turn around. I think he's doing it.
He's trying to do that?
Not regulars. Come on.
I'm supposed to do the same thing?
Just
It didn't work.
turn around like a civilized human here.
I am. Oh no, the bird!
The bird!
Should we just go up it?
Go up it. You're gonna ruin your bumper. You're gonna hit your bumper.
I'm not.
Oscar.
What?
Oscar. Oscar.
Oh shit!
Oscar. What the? What the hell, bro? Dude.
Oh no, my alignment.
Bro, it's going straight. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What happened?
You can't assess the damage. Oh my god. Okay, let me breathe. Bro, what just happened? Is it fine? Steering wheel's straight. Steering wheel is not.
Oh.
Oh boy, that was scary. Okay, we're doing a little bit of tug of war here. Jacob's mighty Jeep. Jacob's Jeep. Oscar's pickup. Oscar's pickup makes weird noises now. Jeep hooked up here. We're gonna. You put the park brake off? We're gonna pull it. So Oscar's gonna back up his pickup. Oh boy. Ready? I know. Oh, that's a bad idea. Oh, we're in it. Oscar, help! Roll. Well, no one's gonna roll. That's out of this thing. Okay, you're good, Oscar. Go forward slowly. Very slow. Go. Slow. Slower. Keep going. Pull. There you go. Works. Ready? 3, 2. Beat. Good game. Assessing the damage here, and I am like kind of sick right now, so that's why we're all coughing and it's kind of hard to laugh. So and breathe. Oh, what happened? Oh, that was already good. But yeah, we're assessing damage. I don't know if we don't really know